to maybe bits of music now. Okay, I think I'm going to do. I've changed the microphones around. So hello everybody. Just in case you don't know who I am, is there anyone?
Good morning everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a new waterfall. I hope so. It's the first time I come here, so I don't know what to expect. It could be quite dangerous, so wait a moment. I'm arrived. Yes. Wow. Have a look. Very beautiful. It's not so big, but very nice. Really nice place. Really nice waterfall. Wow. Oh, I'm very happy to be here, and I can't wait taking pictures. So let's get started. Here there is a beautiful branch to use for the composition. Yeah. What do you think? Very nice. Okay, now I have to choose the right composition. Okay. Okay. The first picture, I want to try it under this branch, using maybe the leaf to create a frame. I don't know. I have to study a little bit. So see you soon. See you later. I want to try to use my big polarizer for the Sigma lens in order to get a better color of the waterfall, or to get a better reflection. Now I see. polarizer is dirty. I don't know why. It makes a shade, a strange shade in the picture, so I can't use it now. Doesn't matter. I didn't think you find a so nice waterfall here. I've already just seen some other picture on internet, and I liked it. I didn't like them, but I didn't think it was so interesting. The lake at the bottom is not so big, but it doesn't matter. The environment is very nice with the vegetation. And it's so quiet here. After a week of hard work, I deserve a moment of rest. Even though this morning I wake up. Not I wake up. I woke up in the past. Yeah, I woke up at 3 o'clock in the morning. Really early. But for coming here, I took 3-hour bike car. Very long distance for me. And I'm alone today because a friend of mine doesn't feel very well. So I need to come here alone, on my own. Okay, keep going. Oh, there is. Oh. There was a little bird in a stone, and as you know, I'm a wildlife photographer, so I love nature. I love animals in English, of course. And every time I can, I try to catch some picture of some animal. I love birds, as you know. But now I want to try another picture, maybe from the middle of the stream, from here. want to try in vertical. Okay, there is a lot of stuff in the water, quite annoying, so I prefer to clean up. It looks like better now, I think so. I'm taking 2 pictures for every shot because I need to blend it together after in post-production due to the sky is too bright in comparison from the waterfall, so I don't want to burn the highlights. So it's necessary to take every time to picture. Even because I haven't got a filter to mask the highlights. Actually, it's not true because for the other lens I've got the filter. I can try it. Wait a moment. Now with this lens, the Zeiss Batis 18mm, I can use the NISI system, NISI filter system, with the polarizer and soft filter, I don't remember the right name, and I can use the ND filter or 10-stop filter, but for this light it's too much in my opinion, so I want to use only the polarizer and soft filter to mask a little bit the sky. Okay, this is the filter by NISI. It's very good, quite expensive, but it's well done on metal, quite light, really useful in this kind of shot. If you want to get more reflection from the water with the polarizer, you can get it. Okay. very nice. With the polarizer you can see the bottom of the water under the water. And now I take the soft filter. There you go. It's always by and easy. With soft filter I mean this one. It's a gradient, a soft gradient filter, okay? It's not a soft filter. Okay, the first battery is gone. GoPro battery are very useless. Great. The duration of this battery is pretty low, maybe 20 minutes. The original battery. Now I'm using a compatible. I don't know if in English is right. Compatible. Yeah. So follow me. Five seconds of exposition. Very good, and without any filter. I was looking this tree, this couple of trees, and I like it. I like them. Maybe I'll take a picture of these two trees. But before, I need to remove my backpack because it's very annoying, very disturbing. I have only to choose, yes, really often I have some doubt about the right English word to use, the right verb. If I have to use the present simple, is quite easy. The past simple as well. Okay, I have only to remember the right word. Sorry to my English friends. Okay, now I can try the shot of the trees. Where can I start from? What time is it? 9 o'clock. I couldn't raise my little tripod, my little stick, or GoPro stick. It was too short. Sometimes I discover something new about my gear, about my equipment. It's really strange, don't you find? I've tried another, I've found another composition that I think could be really nice. I want to show you. Okay, from here, I have to switch the display. Okay, have a look. I like the little tree on the right and the branch on the left, but it seems to be connected in some way, and the waterfall in the middle. So now I want to capture this photo and see if I can capture the beauty of this place, this waterfall. Oh, very beautiful. I've been always fascinated by this, by the nature, this natural stuff. It relaxes me so much. at the first shot is for the sky, as always. One second of exposition in manual mode, and the second shot .5 seconds for the waterfall. Now I get a little rest before going away. I eat something because I ate at 4 o'clock this morning and I'm a bit hungry. Then I'll go to my car. Fortunately it's quite near, so I think to come back, to get back home quite early, maybe at 10 o'clock, because I need 3 hours to drive for driving. So the day is gone maybe. But it's good. It's good. I'm very happy. Maybe today's photographic day was so beautiful like today. It's always rewarding seeing the nature. I'd like to change my job. If I could, I live with the photography, but in Italy it's quite difficult. I don't think that someone pay me for my picture. They are not so special. There are better photographer here. Maybe my friend is very good. He is very good in landscape photography. And in the other kind of photography, also with wildlife. Yes, I can't wait for taking some wildlife picture. Maybe next Saturday, if the weather will be good, I'll try with my favorite subject, the common buzzard. I don't know. I can only wait the weather and check every day the situation in order to understand if I can go or if I can't. I can do anything else. Only wait. And in these days I'm waiting for my new computer because the old one is getting quite slow, so I need a new one computer. I'm looking, the battery is almost gone, so it should be better that I say you hello right by now, and I hope you enjoy watching the video, watching the waterfall, and I hope to see you again in my channel. So bye for now, see you next time. Bye.